The complete guide to making money online. How can you make money online? There are many ways in which you can make money online. It is important to note that the internet has made it possible for people to work from home and earn a living. In this video we will explore some of the most popular ways in which you can make money online. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start making money online. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is you don't need any initial investment or inventory to get started with this method. You only need an affiliate network such as Amazon Associates and then some products that you want to promote on your website. You don't have to worry about shipping or customer service because if the customer purchases anything from your store, then you can use Shopify's built-in analytics and machine learning to handle all of that for you. Amazon also has a built-in payment processor along with a sophisticated marketing platform. Blogging. It is easy to start your own blog and earn money from it. One of the best things about blogging is that there is no initial investment, meaning you can just get started making money. Many ways you can make money from your blog, like selling products on your site, creating digital content, or using AdSense. eBay. You can also make money by selling your old items on eBay. One of the best things about this is that you don't need any initial investment to start earning money.